Lesson 6. Days of the week. Let's go and continue studying the basic vocabulary that we need in everyday English. Here we go with days of the week. And the basic conversation might look like this. What day is it today? It's Monday. Of course, we have 7 other words to study. So here we go, one by one. Please follow me and repeat every single word. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, repeat one more time all the words together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, and what if I ask you today, what day is it today? What would you say? I would say it's Sunday.